A very good morning, students. Our online class for today is on the subject science. For today's class, we will begin with a new chapter, that is chapter 10, Respiration in Organisms. Let us first understand the term respiration. The biological process in which food is utilized to produce energy is called respiration. Respiration is necessary for the survival of all living beings. Hangni ngin persyang ban sngoto ya ka jingmut jong ka kintin respiration. Respiration hangni kamut kata ka biological process ha kabangi pindon kam ya ke jingbam ki bangi bam ban pinmi ya ka energy. Kin mau baka respiration kalong kabadon kam ha ka jingim jong kino ki jing thau ki ba im. If you look at the picture provided in the slide, you will see the respiratory system. It consists of the larynx, the trachea, the bronchus, bronchioles, left lung, the pharynx, the alveoli, right lung, and the diaphragm. We will now study on the types of respiration. Respiration takes place inside the cells. As respiration occurs inside the cell, it is also called cellular respiration. A cell organelle called mitochondria is the site of cellular respiration. There are different types of respiration depending upon the availability of oxygen. Hangni ngin pulie shapang kita ki types of respiration. Respiration kaju urlong lani kaju jia haki cells. But namar ba ka respiration kaju jia lani kaju urlong haki cells kiju khwat yaka ka cellular respiration. Udon une u cell organelle ubangi khwat u mitochondria. Une u cell organelle uday uta u site na kabinta ka cellular respiration. Kin mau ba ya kane ka respiration ngila ban pia yaka ha ki babun binta da kabangi pet ya ka jingdon jongka oxygen. Respiration can be divided into two types, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration. In aerobic respiration, it takes place in the presence of oxygen. Carbon dioxide and water are the end products. Glucose plus oxygen give us carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. Here we understand that in aerobic respiration there is a need for the availability of oxygen, which means that aerobic respiration, it only takes place in the presence of oxygen, and it also tells us that carbon dioxide and water are its end product. In anaerobic respiration takes place in the absence of oxygen. It usually happens in microbes. Alcohol and carbon dioxide are the end products. In some cases, lactic acid is formed at the end of anaerobic respiration. Glucose, in absence of oxygen, gives us alcohol, carbon dioxide, and energy. Here, anaerobic respiration, it takes place in the absence of oxygen, And anaerobic respiration, it usually happens only in microbes. The end product for anaerobic respiration are usually alcohol and carbon dioxide, and here it tells us that in some cases lactic acid is also formed as the end product of anaerobic respiration. हमने ni pule ba kene ka types of respiration kala bandai ka aerobic respiration pat ka anaerobic respiration. Pidei bankin mau ba haka aerobic respiration ka ju urlong haka jingdon jong ka oxygen lada umdan oxygen ki khot yaka ka anaerobic respiration katba ka respiration ka ba urlong haka jingdan jong ka oxygen ki khot yaka ka aerobic respiration. Haka aerobic respiration ngila ban ong ba haka bakut ka penmi ya ka carbon dioxide bat ya ka Hakani ka ba R ka anaerobic respiration kin mau ba haka anaerobic respiration ka ju urlong tang lada omdon oxygen ka bumut ba tang lada ka oxygen kamdon kani ka respiration ki khot ya ka anaerobic respiration. Kin mau ba kani ka anaerobic respiration ka jukham urlong hakine ki microbes hangne kamut kita ki kinja khnyang lane ki organisms ki baret ki ba phimla banyo I dala ki jong ki khmat but phidon kam yaka microscope ban pet yaki. Haka anaerobic respiration kin mau ba ka alcohol ka carbon dioxide but ka energy laju pinmi yaki haka bakut jongkane ka respiration. If you look at the picture provided in the slide, you will see that glucose in the presence of oxygen will yield carbon dioxide, water and energy. And if you look at the second picture, glucose, if it undergo alcohol fermentation in yeast, it will yield ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy, whereas if it undergoes lactic acid fermentation, it will yield lactic acid plus energy. Lada pipet hakadur pinyo I baka glucose, haka jingdan jong ka oxygen, ka pinmi yaka carbon dioxide, water but energy, katba ka glucose, ha ka jing bamdan jong ka oxygen, ka pinmi ya ka ethanol, carbon dioxide but ka energy ha yeast, but ka ju pinmi ya ka lactic acid but energy ha ki muscular cells. We will now try to understand the term breathing. The process of taking in and giving out air for respiration is known as breathing. Minta ngin snotho yagajimut jonga kintian breathing. Hangne ka kintian breathing kamut kata ka jingring but jingpin hyar minsiam jongi nagabinta ka respiration ki khwat yakaka breathing. Breathing involves two main steps, namely inhalation and exhalation. During inhalation, we breathe in air which is rich in oxygen. During exhalation, we breathe out air which is rich in carbon dioxide. The number of times a person breathes in a minute is known as the breathing rate. Here, it tells us that breathing is of two steps, that is inhalation and exhalation. From your lower classes, you have already studied that as human beings, we take in oxygen and we give out carbon dioxide. Inhalation here, it refers to us taking in oxygen, whereas exhalation here refers to us giving out carbon dioxide. And breathing rate here refers to the number of times a person breathes in a minute. Hangne ki yathu yangi ba ka breathing ka don artli ki steps kata ka inhalation pat ka exhalation. Haki class ki ba dangret phila ju pule ba kum ki breu ni ju ring men siem ya ka oxygen kat bangi ju penmi no pat ya ka carbon dioxide. Ka jing ring men siem jongi ya ka ne ka oxygen ni khot ya ka inhalation. Kat ba ya ka ne ka jing penmi no jongi ya ka carbon dioxide ni khot ya ka exhalation. But ka breathing rate hang ne ka tho ya ka ta ka benta ka ba kat no sien u breu u ring men siem haka shi minute. Kat no sien u breu u ring men siem haka shi minute ki khot ya ka breathing rate. If you look at the picture provided in the slide, you will see the inhalation and the exhalation. You will see that when air is drawn in, you will see that the diaphragm moves down, whereas the ribs, they move out. If you look at the exhalation picture, you will see that when air is forced out, the diaphragm moves back to its original position and the ribs also moves back to its original position. Dada pipet hakatu kadur barabo haka slide pinyo e yaka inhalation but ka exhalation. Inhalation ka pin e ba haka por bangi ring min siem. Hakata ka por pinyo e ba ka diaphragm ka ki shapo but kine ki ribs ru ki mi shabar. Kat ba haka exhalation haka por bangi pinmi no pat yakal air shabar pinyo e bakani ka diaphragm menta ka let biang shaka position ka judan minshwa but kini ki ribs ru ki let biang shaka jaka kaba ki judan minshwa. The process of breathing is controlled by the movement of diaphragm. Diaphragm is a membrane present between the chest and abdomen. The movement of diaphragm is controlled by a group of muscles known as intercostal muscles. Ya ka breathing laju control ya ka da ka jingki ki diaphragm. Uni diaphragm ude uta membrane badan hapdeng jongka chest bat ka abdomen. Ya ka jingki ki diaphragm lete lakam daki muscles ki baki khot ki intercostal muscles. When the diaphragm moves down, the rib cage expands. This leads to the expansion inside the lungs. As a result, the air moves into the lungs. This process is known as inspiration or inhalation. Hakapor ba uni diaphragm uki shapo kini ki ribs ki expand. But kani kapenlong ya ki lungs ru bakin expand. But namar baki lungs ki expand kapenlong ya kale air bakan poi shaki lungs. But ya kani ka process ki jukhot ya ka inspiration lane ka inhalation. When the diaphragm moves up, the rib cage contracts. This leads to contraction of the lungs. As a result, the air moves out of the lungs. This process is known as expiration or exhalation. Hakapor pat bakine ki diaphragm ki shajrong kine ki rib cage ki contract. But kane kapinlong ru ya ki lungs bakin contract. But kane kajing long jong ki lungs bakin contract kapenlong ya kale air kapadan hapo ki lungs bakin mi no pat shabar. Kane ki khot ya ka expiration lane ka exhalation. The picture provided in the slide is that of the inhalation and the exhalation process. You will see that when the diaphragm contracts, that process is known as the inhalation, where the ribs now they expand. Whereas in exhalation, you will see that when the diaphragm moves up, the rib cage they contract, and as a result, the lungs also contract, and this results in the movement of air out from the lungs. This process is known as the exhalation. Pinyo I ya kadur kabalabu ha katu ka slide katu kadur kadai jongka inhalation but ka exhalation. Hakapor ka inhalation pinyo I baha kapor ba kane ka diaphragm ka move shapo ka ki shapo ka ek bajia ka rong ba kini ki rib cage ki expand but kane ka jing expand jong kini ki rib cage ka penlong rup ya ki lungs ba ken expand but kane ka expansion jong ki lungs ka penlong ya kle air bakan poi shaki lungs ya kane ki ju khat ya ka inhalation lane ka inspiration kat ba haba kini ki diaphragm pat ki shajrong kini ki rib cage ki contract but kini ka penlong ya ki lungs ro bakin contract but namar ba ki lungs ki contract ka penlong ya kale air bakan mi no shabar ya kini ka process ki ju khat ya ka expiration lane ka exhalation. Breathing in other animals. Flatworms use their outer surfaces as gas exchange surfaces. Earthworms have a series of thin-walled blood vessels known as capillaries. Gas exchange occurs at capillaries located throughout the body as well as those in the respiratory surface. Hang ning in pulisha pangkata ka rukom ring minsim jong kiwei pat ki kenja mrat. Hang ne ki yatho yangi ba kine ki flatworms ki ju ring minsim lingba kane ka outer surface ka jong ki. Kat ba kine ki earthworms ka bumut kine ki we ki don ya kine ki blood vessels ki ba ki khwat ki capillaries. But ki ju exchange gas lingba kine ki capillaries ki badon shilinter kamet jong ki lada pipet hakatu kadur pinyo I ya ka flatworm kaba exchange ya ki gas tang lingba kane ka outer surface kabamut ba kane ka benta ka shabar ka jong ki kat ba kine ki wi pat ki ju exchange ya ki gases lingba kine ki capillaries ki badon shilinter kamet jong ki. Some animals, amphibians, use their skin as a respiratory surface. Frogs expel carbon dioxide 2.5 times faster through their skin than through their lungs. Hangni ki tho ingi bakidon kini ki kinjamrat ki amphibians ki ba ka respiratory surface jonki kalongka skin. Ki tho ro ba ki frogs kabumut ba ki jakot lingba ke skin jongki kila ban pinmi carbon dioxide R.Sun kam kloy banya nujor bat kata ka jing pinmi carbon dioxide jongki naki lungs. Many terrestrial animals have their respiratory surfaces inside the body and connected to the outside by a series of tubes. These tubes that carry air directly to cells for gas exchange are known as trachea. Spiracles are opening at the body surface that lead to trachea. Trachea branch into smaller tubes known as tracheoles. Kidon kine ki terrestrial animals kabumut kita kimrat kiba im hakakindo kiba ka respiratory surface jonki kadon hapo kamet jonki. Kidon kine ki tubes ki bara ya kale air shaki cells na kabenta ka gas exchange but ya kine ki tubes ki khwat ya ki trachea. Ha kane ka body surface kidon ya kine ki spiracles Kine ki spiracles ki longkum ki kinja opening, but kine ki spiracles ki yalam yaki sha kine ki trachea kabumut ba kine ki spiracles ki longkum ki jaka play ki badan haka body surface, but kine ki spiracles ki lead sha ki trachea. Kine ki trachea pat ki pia sha ki smaller tubes, but ki khot yaki tracheoles. Breathing underwater. Fish have a pair of gills. They breathe oxygen dissolved in water through gills. Gills greatly increase the surface area for gas exchange. Gills are complex outgrowth containing blood vessels. These organisms take in water which flows over gills. The blood in capillaries of gills absorb oxygen and gives carbon dioxide. Here we study about how fish breathe under water. You have to remember that breathing in fish usually occurs through the pair of gills. Hang ning yipuli shapangkata ka jingring min siem jongki dokha hapo Kin mau ba ka jingring min siem jongki dokha ka ju urlong lingba ki gills. Kini ki gills ki pinhe ek surface area na kabinta ka gas exchange, but kine ki gills ki donru ya kine ki blood vessels. Kine ka snam kabadan haki capillaries jongki gills kale ayu kashim ya ka oxygen kabumut ba ka ring ya ki oxygen kat ba ka ai no kabumut ba ka pinmi no ya ka carbon dioxide. Pila banyo I hakato ka dur yaki gills ki badan haki dokha. Do plants also respire? Plants can be of various sizes and shapes. Similar to other living organisms, plants also respire for their survival. Each plant part breathes through its external layers of cells. Roots breathe through root hairs. Leaves have numerous small pores called stomata for breathing. Here, they ask us a question whether plants respire or not. The answer to the question whether plants respire or not is yes, plants do respire. Plants, they respire through the external layers of cell. If you uproot a mustard plant, you will observe that the root contain the root hairs. It is said that the roots, they respire through the root hairs which are present in the roots. And the plants, they also respire through the leaves. We have studied in our previous class about the stomata which are present in the underside of the leaves. So what happens is that the leaves, they also respire through these stomata which are present in the underside of the leaves. Hangne ki kali yangi ka jingkali hato ki jingthong jingtap ki rigmensiam ka jubab kalong hoot ki jingthong jingtap ru ki ringmensiam. Kumno kine ki jingthong jingtap ki ringmensiam ngidei ban ker mau pa kine ki jingthong jingtap ki don yakata ka external layers of cells. Hakapor kabapi klauno ya u jingthong shubo utterso ladapi pet ya uto uttalong pinyo I kum ki kenja snyo ken mau bakito ki roots ki juring men siem lingba kito ki kenja snyo ki badan ha uto u roots but ken mau ro ba ha ki jingthong jingtap ki juring men siem lingba ki sla nila jupuli ha ki class ki pamenshwa ba Shakane kabanta kabashadin jong usla kidan kita ki stomata. But kin mau ba kini kisla kiring men siem ru ling ba kini ki stomata ki badan haksha kabanta kaba shadin jong ki sla. Coming to the assignment portion, students, these are the assignment required to be completed by you. Fill in the blanks. 1. Dash respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen. 2. Alcohol and carbon dioxide are the end products of dash respiration. 3. The number of times a person breathes in a minute is known as the dash. 4. The movement of diaphragm is controlled by a group of muscles known as dash muscles. 5. Earthworms have a series of thin-walled blood vessels known as dash. 6. Trachea branch into smaller tubes known as dash. 7. Each plant part breathes through its dash layer of cells. Question number 2. Define the following. 1. Breathing. 2. Respiration. 3. Inhalation. 4. Exhalation. Question number 3. Differentiate between the following. Respiration and breathing. 2. Aerobic and anaerobic respiration. 3. Gills and trachea. 4. Inhalation and exhalation. Students, that's all for today's online class. I request you to complete your assignment on time and submit it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you.